Start with JuJuBe if you want one organized diaper backpack for everyday messes. Pick Ruvalino when budget matters, or Patagonia when you'll pack light with pouches. Choose Caraa when you want a polished splurge. Don't overlook Skip Hop if your favorite bag just needs a changing kit. No diaper bag nails everything. Pick for organization, cleaning, carry style, and lifespan. For most organized parents, I'd start with the JuJuBe Classic Diaper Backpack. It's the bag for someone who wants diapers, wipes, bottles, snacks, and backup clothes to have obvious homes, without carrying something that feels purely utilitarian. The real win is day-to-day cleanup. Messy parenting happens, and this bag is built around being easier to wash than most polished diaper backpacks. The catch is value. You're paying for the structure and pocket layout. Skip it if you want the cheapest bag, or you prefer a softer, slouchier carry. If the goal is function without the premium price, go Ruvalino Diaper Bag Backpack. It's the practical pick for families who need space for the usual chaos: diapers, wipes, bottles, snacks, spare clothes, and whatever else gets tossed in at the door. You get lots of compartments, which is great until it isn't. Tiny things can disappear, and the bag can feel boxy before it's even stuffed. The material may also look tired sooner than pricier picks. Skip it if long-term fabric wear will bug you. For parents who don't want a forever baby-looking bag, the Patagonia Terravia Tote Pack 24L makes more sense. Buy it if you pack lighter, already use pouches, and want one flexible bag for diapers now, then travel, daycare runs, or errands later. That's the appeal. It grows out of the diaper phase better than a dedicated baby bag. But it won't organize for you. The soft body can flop, the main compartment takes digging, and the handles may feel odd on some bodies. Skip it if you need built-in bottle zones. If you want the dressed-up version, it's the Caraa Baby Bag. This is for parents who want a premium feel, built-in organization, and carry options beyond standard backpack mode. The removable organizer is the useful part, because diaper change gear can stay grouped instead of floating around the main bag. The catch is obvious: it's the splurge here. It also reads more like a diaper bag after babyhood, and the side pockets fit baby bottles better than tall adult water bottles. Skip it if value matters most. To make almost any bag work, add the Skip Hop Pronto portable changing pad. It's the grab-and-go piece for parents who don't want the full diaper backpack every time, or who want a backup kit in the car, stroller basket, or tote. It keeps diapers and wipes together. Just don't overstuff it, because it gets bulky, takes 2 hands to open fully, and needs spot cleaning. Quick split, best organization, JuJuBe. Best budget function, Ruvalino. Best after the diaper years, Patagonia. Best premium carry, Caraa. Then add the Skip Hop pad if you want a compact changing kit that works in a tote, car, stroller basket, or regular backpack. Before you buy, picture your real outing. Do you need bottle pockets, stroller access, washable fabric, or space for backup clothes? If you hate digging, choose structure. If you hate baby-only gear, choose a bag that can age with your family. So if you're unsure, start with the JuJuBe. Switch to Ruvalino if budget matters most, Patagonia if you want life after diapers, or Caraa if the splurge feels worth it. Then add the Skip Hop pad for lighter trips. Links are in the description.